Hi everyone! Today we are going to identify exponential growth and decay functions. We will use three forms to indicate exponential growth or decay functions. The first form, y equals a times b to the x. We need to focus on base b. If b base greater than 1, it is characteristic for growth exponential function. If b between 0 and 1, we have decay exponential function. The second form y equals a times e with power kx. We focus k, coefficient of x, in the exponent. If k positive, we have growth exponential model. K less than 0 presents decay exponential model. The third form, y equals a times 1 plus r with power x. If r greater than 0, we have growth exponential function. If r negative, it's characteristic for decay exponential model. The first example, we need to indicate if the function represents exponential growth or exponential decay. The first function, y equals 225 times e raised negative 0.2t. It is the second form of exponential function. We need to focus k. K, it is coefficient of t in the exponent. So k equals negative 0.2 less than 0. So it is exponential decay function. The second example, it is the first type of form from the first slide. So we need to focus base b. Base b equals 1.08 greater than 1. So it is exponential growth function. Next example, we need to focus coefficient k of t in the exponent. Coefficient k equals 1.85 greater than 0. It is exponential growth function. Next, we have the first form. We focus as well on base b. Change color. Base b equals 0.02. It is less than 1. So it is exponential decay function. Keep going. We have function y equals 10e to the 4.5t. So it is the second form of exponential function. We need to focus on coefficient of t in the exponent. So coefficient k equals 4.5 greater than 0. So it is exponential growth function. The second example, it is the first form of exponential function. So we focus on base b. Base b equals 0.09. It is less than 1. So it is exponential decay function. Next example, it is the second type of form, or the second form. So we need to focus of k, coefficient k of t. So coefficient k equals negative 3, less than 0, exponential decay function. Now we have exponential function with base b equals 4.5 greater than 1. It is exponential growth function. Thank you for watching and see you soon.